Dear mathematics students, in the last class I have explained you about the theory part of ratio and proportion. In this class I am explaining you about some simple problems regarding this ratio, only ratio, not proportion. In the next class I will solve the problems of proportion. So the first problem I am explaining you is find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are in the proportion of 3:4:5 in the ratio of. So this word can be the ratio or proportion, whatever it may be, and the longest side is 15 centimeter. So here you are observing 3:4:5 is the ratio, and 5, what about 5? 5 is the longest side. 5 is the longest side, and the length of this side is 15 centimeter. Length of this side is 15 centimeter. See, longest side 5 times equal to 15 centimeter. Longest side 5 times equal to 15 centimeter. One time means 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3 centimeter. So here ratio 1 equal to 3 centimeter. Ratio 1 equal to 3 centimeter is the concept here. Then 1 time equal to, once again I am repeating, 1 time equal to 15 by 5, that is 3 centimeter. Side B, therefore 4 times, 3 into 4. So you need not write this one, but here 3 centimeter is 1 time, 4 times means 12 centimeter. This is first answer. And 3 times means 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. So in the same way, then A equal to 9 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter, and C equal to 15 centimeter. So what is perimeter? So triangle perimeter can be written as C. If this is A, if this is B, and if this is C, then perimeter equal to A plus B plus C. So in the same way here, perimeter of the triangle equals 9 plus 12 plus 15. So the total answer is 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter is the answer. Next, second problem. If A is to B equal to 9:12, B is to C equal to 8:10, find the ratio A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C is the, no, you are having two separate ratios, and see 9:12 and 8:10. What you have to do is, here it is B and here it is B. Here it is B. So you have to equate 12 and 8. 12 and 8. How to equate 12 and 8 here? You have to get the LCM. I think you know what is meant by lowest common multiple. So 12 and 8. 12 and 8 LCM, how to calculate? You have to divide it. 1 minute. 12 and 8. I will explain how to calculate 12 and 8. 12 and 8. 2, 6 and 4. 2 divide 2 by 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 are actually prime numbers. 2 into, see, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. This is equal to 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. See, 24 is the LCM. Here once again I am reminding you that A plus B, A is to B equal to 9 is to 12, B is to C equal to 8 is to 10. So these 12 and 8 I have already explained you how to calculate the LCM. So you have to multiply this one by, to become 12 to 24 you have to multiply this one by 2, and you have to multiply the second by 3, because 8 should be 24. Then what happens? Then A is to B becomes 18 is to 24, B is to C becomes 24 is to 30. A is to B is to C will be 18 is to 24 is to 20, because these two are equal. 18 is to 24 is to 30. So you cannot leave this answer as it is. So the answer, what will be the answer? Let me tell you. 18 is to 24 is to 30. 18 is to 24 is to 30. You have 18 is 24 is to 30. You can directly divide all these by 6. Then what happens? 6, 3 is to 4 is to 5. See, this is the answer of this particular problem. So the theme or the aim here is to make B, that is middle term, equal. So here there is B, here there is B. So then 12 and 8 should be made equal by calculating the LCM. So then you can proceed to solve the problem. So one more problem regarding this ratio. Ram, Sham and Ramesh invested 45,000 rupees in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. Their investment is in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. A profit of 15,000 rupees is earned, and calculate the share of each investor. So they are getting a profit of 15,000 rupees. They are getting a profit of 15,000 rupees. So you should calculate the profit of each investor, Ram, Sham and Ramesh. So what is the ratio of investment? First of all, let us consider the ratio of investment. That is 2 is to 3 is to 5 is the ratio of investment. Total ratio means you have to add all the ratios. That is 2 plus 3 plus 5 will be 10. Total profit earned is 15,000 rupees. Total profit earned is 15,000 rupees. Here, then let us calculate out of 15,000 share of Ram. So total ratio 10. His investment is 2. 2 by 10 into 15,000. He will gain 3,000 rupees. This is one of the answers. Share of Sham. He has invested 3 part out of 10, and 15,000 will be his profit. Out of 15,000 his profit will be 4,500 rupees. Second answer. And the last answer is share of Ramesh, 5 by 10, that is into 15. The total answer will be 7,500 rupees. This is the third answer. So the total answer that I am showing you is 3,000, 4,500, 7,000. If you add these three, you will get 15,000. In the next class, I will be back with some simple problems regarding proportion. Thank you.